Hello guys, my name is Mason Thomas. I'm an alumni, number 266. I was asked here today to discuss with you TSA and how it helped me write my proposal memo assignment for TWC301. I want to talk about how it helped me as well as how it can help you. Let's get started with a brief explanation of what TSA is. So what is TSA? You might think public service announcement. Well, not really. TSA is the problem-solving approach. It's a tool used to help students solve document-related problems such as who should receive the document, what type of document to create, what the document should contain, the tone of the document, and whether the document should include visuals or not. Now I will discuss the 5 processes of TSA and how I use them in the proposal memo assignment. The first process was to plan. I read through everything that was to be expected so I knew exactly what to do. Then came the research. I already had all the research for this topic because the assignment required me to write about an organization which I already belonged to. Thus I had all the information about the organization and what I wanted to write about. Then to do the draft. This would have errors and would need to be corrected. With the first draft complete, it then went into the review section, where other students from the class reviewed the document and gave me feedback. This was very helpful and helped me edit the document to make it a better piece. Then came the distribution of the assignment. As you can see, a PDF was required. Thus, I had to save the document as a PDF and turn it into the Dropbox tool of the class. There are many reasons to use PSA. Successes that I've had come from the use of PSA would be the timeline that is required to use it. That means no more procrastination, and that means no more worrying about getting things done on time. As you can see, there is a list of due dates that will require you to finish your assignment prior to the official final draft due date, which makes things a whole lot easier for you. Another great success is going to be the accuracy that you're going to gain from using TSA. When I mean accuracy, I'm not talking about bows and arrows. Rather, I'm talking about the accuracy of your work. You're going to have a much more refined document after the review cycle, as well as a more concise document by using the TSA. This means that you're going to do better on the assignment, feel better on it, and receive a better grade for the assignment. And another lesson that I've learned from using TSA as a writer is to try to write about what you know. I know Chop Shop, so I chose to write about Chop Shop because I work there. I have a passion for that job, and I can easily write about it because I have that passion. So whenever you have the opportunity to write about something you know, you should take that opportunity and write about it. The advantage is yours. Because of PSA, I have also learned a very important lesson, and that is everyone has a different perspective. This seems like it might be a very simple thing, very simple way to look at things, but you really need to think about the way that others will perceive your writing, because it's not going to be you that's reading it, it's going to be others. So whenever you're doing your writing, you really need to think about the other ways that it could be perceived. This will help. From PSA, I have learned a lot about effective communication. one big thing is to be concise. A tool that I used in my proposal assignment was bullets. You can see this from the image below, which is a section from the assignment, where I used a bullet list to make the document a whole lot easier to read. It makes the reader able to see quick points. Another lesson that I learned about effective communication is that PSA is the greatest tool that you can use to be an effective communicator. By using this tool, you're going to communicate exactly what you need whenever you need it. After this presentation, I feel confident that you guys will become better writers, and I'm happy to say ODH, and have a great day, guys.